So this is the OKP Life vacuum robot. It's my favorite thing right now. This is great, especially if you have pets inside the house. So right now, this is its charging zone. It's supposed to be charging, but it's not flashing the light because charging is complete, so it's ready to go. So you have this super cool remote, and you just turn it on, and there it goes. And then let's say that it's done. So you could just go ahead and hit right here, just home button. So then what it does is just goes back to its place. There you go. Right. This has also different cleaning modes. Shh. Has different cleaning modes, so that's really good for your rooms. And so let's see now. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, just open it. Oh wow, look at that. It's great for pets. Just go ahead and clean that out. It also brings a tool that you use to really get in those ridges and clean out the filter. This is here. And so it's very cute, it's very compact, works really well, and I definitely have to say that I recommend it.
He keeps running into the other vacuum. We should put a bunch of shit on the floor to see if it actually picks shit up. Well, pick that up, whatever that was. Probably crumbs. I want Bolt to get on the floor. I want to see if it sees Bolt. The other one didn't. See if it goes over this ledge. It does! And look, it doesn't fall off the step!
It's like, oh, fuck, cliff.
It probably was worth the $2.99, huh? I didn't pay that, but...
I like how it does little tiny through.
Well, I mean, is that what it's supposed to do?
I mean, yeah.
It doesn't want to miss anything. Heck, it even got my makeup off the floor. Game on. I found my new best friend. Next is carpet.
So, we got the OKP Life robot vacuum. It charges just like this. It actually has an app that it comes with, and like you can send it back to its charging base. And that's how you know it's charging. Pretty simple. Everything can be controlled by the app. Well, assembly is really easy, I guess I should start with. So you just snap these two little guys on, and you can see that I've already used it. Works really good. And then just right in here is how much hair I've already gotten. I have 2 dogs that shed like crazy, so you can imagine. And then it just, we're renovating right now too, so everything's crazy. But